Okay, so I'm going to do a real quick video because I've been seeing on YouTube that there's a ton of questions about how to do this. It's super simple. This is the information of where the security bypass came from that I got. And on their website it shows how to do it, but the instructions could be, I guess, confusing. But it's as simple as coming in, pulling this panel off. You have two screws, one here and one here. And then this panel kind of pulls out and away, and then you can drop it down just like this, leaving the parking brake on, the parking brake release cable on. Then you come into the back side right here where your OBD2 port is originally at. You depress the two little pins on the side, pull it out. Once you pull it out, you'll plug in the new bypass harness to the original OBD2 port, and then you'll put the new one into the plastic housing. The other side of it, you'll come up underneath and you see the CAN bus system. On this side it's green, directly on the back side it's white. You'll take the green cord that comes on the bypass harness and you find any open slot on the green side and plug it in. It'll only go one way. Then you go on the other side, on the white side, and you plug that in to an open slot. It does not matter which one you plug the white one in or the green one in, as long as you are on the green side with the green plug and the white side with the white plug. Once you do that, you can plug everything back, or you can put your panel back on, secure it in place with the two, here I'm showing the steering wheel. put the panel back on and secure it with the two screws, and then you can hook up your OBD2 reader and go into Alpha OBD and do all of the cool changes that you need to do. Do this at your own risk. You are messing with the vehicle's computer and everything, but thus far I've had zero issues with anything that I've done. That's it.